Welcome to this demonstration of additive manufacturing for tooling industry. Having developed and validated the cooling channels for our mold, in this video I will review some of the other design tools available within NX. I will begin by performing a minimum wall thickness check. The red highlighted areas indicate that only a few regions of my part design are below a 3 mm minimum thickness. When the minimum thickness is changed to 4 mm, I can see a jump in the areas that violate this threshold. Such a tool is critical to ensure our part is meeting required specifications. Next, I will use the tools in NX to determine the optimum way in which the part should be oriented for the build process. Thanks to additive manufacturing, I can perform a print time check without reorienting the part. Here, the system has determined that printing in the Z-axis direction will provide the minimum print time, thus saving on production costs. As a final step, I'll calculate the resulting overhang angle. The print direction has been reoriented, and all red faces need a support in the new print direction. By rotating the orientation of the part 90 degrees, I can study the impact so as to minimize the overhang area. Such an analysis can be invaluable in reducing the time and cost of manufacturing. Thanks to the tools within NX, I'm not only able to validate the design of my cavity mold, but the optimal process in which it should be oriented to reduce the cost of production. If you're curious to learn more about our services, we offer a 30-day free trial. You can access it by clicking the free trial link in the video description or by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Give it a try and see how it works for you.